Half Moon Cay, Glass Bottom Boat Excursion.
The organisms still left on the sponge. Take it and soak it again in fresh clean water for another 2 to 3 days. Let it dry again, and your sponge is ready for use. So if you want you to take it, pass it around, squeeze it, poke it, you can feel just how durable that sponge is. A lot of artists too, when they're doing the sponge painting, when it comes to exfoliating their skin, they would prefer to use the natural sponge to do that. Now also coming up ahead of us, we can get a little glimpse into our past here in the Bahamas. Hawaiian Indians, they were the first original inhabitants of the Bahama Islands. So we built the replica just to give our guests an idea of how they lived.
Oh my gosh, I got one.
Is that one? This is the jellyfish. This is the upside down jellyfish.
Oh, this is the bottom of it?
Yeah, this is how it sits at the bottom.
Can you touch it?
Yeah, you can hold it in all if you want.
No.
I'll hold it.
Yeah.
I'll hold it.
Okay, anybody that wants to hold it, I just need you to take your hand, dip it inside the water for me, please.
Okay, that's the top.
This is the bottom part of it.
Okay. What are they don't bite you?
This is the top part.
They don't bite you or nothing? Will it move?
Put it on.
No!
Now, whatever you do, please don't stick your hand in the water. The barracudas are very curious creatures. You can take very good looks. You can see his
Right,
teeth.
see his teeth,
Very,
yeah.
very sharp.
He's over there?
Yeah. Barry, the bully barracuda. He stays in this area. He likes to prey on the small fish, the same fish that we're feeding. He will prey on them.
You doing it, big? They are not players.
Now, all the fish you're seeing there are all edible to us, a big part of our diet. The barracuda, though, the barracuda is a delicacy, though. It is one of those fish that you'll definitely have to eat at your own risk because it could be poisonous. So you have to be very careful when it comes to eating the barracuda. But the yellowtail snappers that you see here, they get to be up to about 14 to 16 inches in length. So they will become nice sized fish for us to eat.
Very good.
To the bottom.
Y'all see Barry over there?
No.
Get a little carried away.
No more what?
There he go right there.
Do we eat the bread too?
Yeah. Oh, he spit it back out.
Barry's not really a bread eater. He would prefer meat. Yeah, we don't have any for him. He would prefer meat. So usually if we have any like hot dogs or hamburgers left over from lunch, I will bring it out for him. But not today. Now whatever you do, please don't stick your hand in the water. The barracudas are very curious creatures. If you take a very good look, you can see his teeth, very, very sharp.
He's over there?
Yeah.
As you can see, a glass bottom boat excursion can be very fun, interactive for the whole family, and they're also very cost efficient. Thanks for tuning in. Check out more videos from J-Hen Travel and Services on YouTube. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Check the description on this video for more information on J-Hen Travel and Services.